Haya nyukura mkejua ngwadhiani kaunti wa Nakuru waido kanyo ni Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto bende koro onyiso geno mare gi mbalariany mano ma jolweny pacho kae the National Defense University mano bade ma Kenya wacho ni kinde sidho kondo ne jolweny makoro ne otieko tiegruok margi mano e nyasi mano bagi e tielo mokwongo Lanet mantiere kaunti ma Nakuru. Ruto olero ni tiegruok makamano biro konyo chiwo lony makare ne jolweny e tayo chenro mag mbalariany ni mano makoro bende onywando kuonde tiegruok abiriyo mag jolweny mano kautingo National Defense College, Joint Command and Staff College, Kenya Military Academy, Defense Forces Technical College, ekin mamoko.
I'm aware that the resources allocated by the government, by your government, may not be sufficient all the time to support all university programs, especially research projects, and therefore call upon the university's management to develop innovative programs to generate extra funds.
The university, through its 6 colleges and 1 constituent college, plays a critical role in developing capacity of strategic thinkers and implementers to support the development of sound policies and strategies, as well as offer practical innovative solutions to address our security challenges and contribute to our national development.
The popular image of security or defense was a sector that was not only deficient in education, but had no time for ideas and certainly averse to higher education. Today, the National Defense University Kenya has not only proven such a profile inaccurate, it is also demonstrating that our national defense sector are leaders in scholarship, research, training, and innovation.